Hello, folks. Good afternoon. Welcome to XM Live Education. This is the beginner's room. Trade on the go. Stanislav Kole speaking. We'll be using only the mobile phone. Is the second session of the series, and I'm very excited to be presenting on this one. We're going to be anticipating not only one but multiple trading strategies in this, and the most important one, the latest trading strategy that we have been backtesting recently. This was the trading strategy with the moving average and the stochastic. It is trend following trading system, and now we'll try to utilize from it and um, make a living with it. Let's just put it like this. All type of questions, trade setups, ideas, more than welcome. Let's have this session as always as an open debate, as an open discussion, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to your impact on this. It's always very nice to see you. Um, Low Way is the first to speak. Now, we have the S&P chart here at the moment, and I think it's a good time for us to start integrating the indicators. If you did follow the previous session, you know that we use 3 moving averages and 1 stochastic. How we add indicators, you have to look at the top band of the MetaTrader, and you just use the second, which is the F in the middle. You click on the F, you click on the plus, and I have to sit down more comfortably for this session. You click on the plus. Maybe, Andreas, if you have to readjust the camera, or I just do a little glitch, a little tweak here. Yeah, I think it's good. And you scroll down to trend, you click on moving average, you find the period. Period is 33. Style is a line, and the color, you click on the color, and we want a green color, right? It's exponential, everything is good. Let's see if this will be nice and visible. Time frames, I mean, we just gotta use it on all time frames. Click OK, click done. We see our first moving average. Let's do the same procedure for the rest. Click on the function, add, we scroll down, we've got to the second one, which is period of 66. That has to be a blue color. Any of the blue, click OK. It's also here. And we add the third and last moving average. Again, click the same procedure. If you have any difficulties, but by adding those into your screen, please be welcome. So the last one is 99. Again, it's exponential and the style is the same, just the color has to be red. Okay, we have all 3 of those. Our blue, let me know if it is nice and visible, all type of moving averages. If you could see them well on the screen. If not, I will try to use different colors that are more visible. Maybe the blue is not very visible. How do you see it? And also want to say hello to Daniel. Daniel, who is asking whether this is live. Yes, this is live. Hi, Daniel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome on board. And looking forward to your contribution to this session. What is your favorite instrument? Maybe there is something that you like to trade. Please bring it on. Chris and Noma, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Hi, Chris. Hi, Noma. Got the date of the Bitcoin sell entry if price much after 26th of July to 61,000. Sell to take profit 1, which is 40,000, and take profit 2 is 30,000. So M2 money supply potential signal for Bitcoin. It is the indicator that we're following for understanding Bitcoin up and a downtrend, and for us to have our edge and bias. I agree with that, and it's going to be nice to know exactly what is going on the 26th. I know that you work a lot with dates. What is happening on the 26th of um, of July, and why exactly 26? So we have our moving averages. Again, please let me know if they're nicely visible for you guys, if you could see them well. If not, there are a few things that I could do. Number one, easiest thing is I could just change the background color. Go on settings. No, not here. Go on the, no, on chart and colors. And to change the background color from here. The other option we could do is for me to show, but black is good for the eye. They are okay, but you can change the blue one. It will be great. Yes, okay. This is exactly what I thought. So we click on the middle blue, and we are going to do some magenta color instead. I suppose that is going to be, yeah, that's going to be way more visible. Also, if our streamer could increase the brightness a little bit, because I see on the stream is not as good as on our platform. Let me ask. To increase the brightness of the share screen a little bit. If this is possible, it's going to be even better. Right, and we have another indicator. We use stochastic, so the same thing. We click on the function, main window, click, you go to stochastic, and we're going to use period of 10, close lows, exponential, and we're going to use magenta, or maybe let's put orange here, or yellow, or whatever color that is going to be visible. I think yellow on um, on black would be very nice. And also you could see here that we have got two very nice signals on the S&P. This is the 5-hour time frame. Let's just move this a little lower, right? So we see the chart too. So the strategy is the following. We want to have the alignment of those moving averages, green, magenta, red, and then the trend is bullish, and then we look to buy. And then we have red, then magenta, then green. I'll show you an example on the S&P, probably hard to do so, but like here, red, magenta, green, and then we'll be looking to sell. And afterwards, we will be using our stochastic to enter those signals. So we got the moving averages that are trend, our trend indicator, and we're using the stochastic to dip below the oversold, go up for us to buy, or dip over the 80 and go down for us to sell. We only buy in an uptrend, green, magenta, red, or pink. Let's call it pink because magenta is a very long name. Green, pink, red. And we only sell on red, magenta, green. All other type of configurations are not really desirable for us. We got earlier, we had an Ethereum signal that I traded. Ethereum USD. Oh, we have it here. This was a 5-minute signal, and this is where it is. We have a bullish trend, green, magenta, red. This is where the entry was, right? It was a fast, quick hit and run setup. Buy at 35, stop loss of 7, and take profit at 61. I have traded this and I have closed that already. Now let's see if maybe some of the other instruments that we have on the list are providing signals. Also, we will have to, as I shared earlier, I think we will have to look at it into a little bit different way. We'll have to look into a way that we create a bias from something else. Let's say we create an edge, and then we trade the signals that are preferable by the edge that we have. Long story short, let's say that we are having a bearish bias on oil because it just started getting from an up to a downtrend, right? And we want to anticipate sell setups. So you get to 4 hour, it is still bullish. Actually, if this 4 hour goes up and close above the green, might be a long. 1 hour is not yet bearish. 30 minutes is not yet bearish. 30 minutes it is. 30 minutes we have red, pink, green. Now we wait for the stochastic, right? We have the right order: red, pink, green. We wait for the stochastic to come up, to come down, then we look to sell. 15-minute time frame. Oh, it is actually getting us ready for another sell signal. Oil, it is. So brace yourselves. I'm going to also create an alert on a different place to see if we're going to get the signal. Add alert, crossing. See. Down once per bar. Okay. And then 15-minute. Shall we get into 30? 30 is also good. So let's create the signal. Crossing down on 40 and on 1 hour is bearish. Let's set on 1 hour too as well. So what I'm doing, I am preparing for potential sell positions as soon as all of the rules happen to meet my criteria. Long story short, in order for me to check all type of multiple instruments and everything, it's going to be way easier for me to just prepare to trade it like this. Right, getting back to the chat. How about now? Low A is also saying the blue is going to be okay. How about now? Are the colors good? Nandam in the building. Hey Nandam, thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome on board. How is everything? How is life? How is trading? Any setups, ideas? Are you looking into some trending market? Please share. Now let's check. Let us check gold. It's been recently in this 30-minute bullish trend. We did never close above. How about 1 hour? Oh, we might get at the end of this hour. Look at this. At the end of this hour, we might get a signal for gold long. If, because we have green, magenta, red, and the last few signals that we had were this one here. That's a long right up here, and you instantly get it. And then if by any chance we get this again and we have close above, that's a clear signal from the system. So it's going to be buy, stop below the low, where the stochastic is already above the zone that we want to anticipate it. So this will be our long setup. But this is only at the end of the hour. So what I'll be doing right now, if there is something that's going on, I will be writing it there. So goat H1 close. So this is something that I have to check at the end of the session for a potential long signal on this. We already anticipated one long position on the session.